Welcome to this comprehensive guide on managing your HDFC Bank NRI account. As a non-resident Indian, having a well-managed bank account is crucial for handling your financial transactions efficiently. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the step-by-step process of managing your HDFC Bank NRI account. First, let's understand what an NRI account is. An NRI account is a type of bank account designed for non-resident Indians, allowing them to manage their income and expenses in India. HDFC Bank offers a range of NRI account options, including NRE, NRO, and FCNR accounts. To manage your HDFC Bank NRI account, you will need to register for net banking. This can be done by visiting the HDFC Bank website and following the registration process. Once registered, you can log into your account and access various services such as account statements, fund transfers, and bill payments. One of the key features of HDFC Bank NRI accounts is the ability to transfer funds online. You can use the net banking platform to transfer funds to other HDFC Bank accounts or to other banks in India. You can also use the bank's mobile banking app to transfer funds on the go. Another important aspect of managing your HDFC Bank NRI account is keeping track of your account statements. You can view your account statements online or request for physical statements to be mailed to your address. It's essential to review your account statements regularly to ensure that all transactions are accurate and authorized. In addition to net banking, HDFC Bank also offers a range of other services for NRI account holders, including debit cards, credit cards, and loan facilities. You can apply for these services online or by visiting a bank branch. To ensure the security of your HDFC Bank NRI account, it's essential to follow best practices such as using strong passwords, keeping your account information confidential, and monitoring your account activity regularly. You should also be cautious of phishing scams and never share your account information with unauthorized individuals. In conclusion, managing your HDFC Bank NRI account is a straightforward process that can be done online or through the bank's mobile banking app. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can ensure that your account is well managed and secure. Remember to always keep your account information confidential and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions. With HDFC Bank's range of services and features, you can manage your finances efficiently and effectively, even from abroad.